In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully migrate your company files from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but with clear guidance and a methodical approach, it's perfectly manageable. To kick things off, let's start by preparing your QuickBooks Desktop file. First, open your QuickBooks Desktop software. It's essential to ensure that everything is in tip-top shape before initiating the transfer. Check that your company file is up to date and, most importantly, backed up. This backup acts as a safety net should anything go awry during the transfer process. Additionally, take some time to reconcile your accounts and address any outstanding errors. You want your file as clean as possible to facilitate a smooth transition. Next up, let's talk about system requirements. Prior to beginning the export process, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A dropout during the transfer might cause issues, and double check that your QuickBooks Online subscription is active and ready to go. These small precautionary steps can prevent a lot of headaches down the line. Once you're fully prepared, we're ready to dive into the export process. In your QuickBooks Desktop application, navigate to the company menu where you'll find the option to export company file to QuickBooks Online. Or in some cases, it might be labeled as copy company file for QuickBooks Online. It's worth noting that if this option isn't visible, you may need to update your QuickBooks Desktop to the latest version to access it. Following that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your login credentials to access the online services. Once signed in, you'll be asked to select which QuickBooks Online company you want to export your data to. You can either choose an existing company or create a new one if that's what you need. After making your selection, confirm your choice to proceed. Now, it's time to begin the actual transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to commence the export process. Be patient, as this might take some time, particularly if you're working with a large company file. Having a bit of patience here can help ensure everything is transferred properly. After the export has completed, it's important to rigorously review and verify your transferred information. Log into QuickBooks Online and go through your data with a fine-tooth comb. Check that all your customers, vendors, accounts, and transactions have made the move successfully. Remember that some features or data, specifically those tied to payroll or audit trails, might not be included in the transfer, so be sure to factor that in. By carefully following these steps, you'll set yourself up for a smooth transition from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online. Keep these instructions handy, take each step at your own pace, and you'll be up and running on QuickBooks Online in no time. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.